What is up, you guys? It's F from Relentless Society with a brand new video. In this video, it's how to start trading from zero. It's going to be a very in-depth video, and I hope you guys do really enjoy it. It's going to have a lot of information, so make sure you have that pen and paper ready to take as much notes as you can so you don't miss out on any information. Let's start the video, and I'll see you guys in the next part. Alright, so let's start off by saying, you guys, this video is going to be very important. We're going to be breaking down a couple topics that I'm sure you guys are going to. So with that being said, take your time. Do a lot of homework with everything that I do. Look it up. Take your time. The most important thing is going to be patience. Take your time with the trading style you want, with the strategy you're looking for. Take your time. Now, let's go ahead and start off. Number one, learn the basics. So you say, well, for what are the basics? Well, understanding what trading is. What is trading? The different markets, if you're into stocks, if you're into Forex, crypto, futures, and really go in depth with them. Learn a little bit about each of them. Look up on YouTube, hey, what is crypto? What is stocks? What is Forex? What is futures? That way you know an in-depth view of each of them and you know what they even mean. That way you're not really just sinking into futures or crypto and not looking at the other ones. Maybe you feel better in the other ones. So I would definitely recommend do that research. What are key concepts like bids, ask, leverage, and order types? What are the different things? What is a limit order? What is a limit sell? Those things are very important to learn. Now, understanding what trading is really, I would say, easy to understand. It's a buy and sell order. For every buyer, there's an equal seller. For every seller, there's an equal buyer. What does that mean? Well, when you go to the supermarket and you're looking for, let's say you're looking for a chicken breast. When you're looking for it and you're going to buy it, you're the buyer. Seller is the market. So you sell it. In futures, you have eggs. You have different things that you can buy and sell. What is each market? Stocks is more like an options is what I would more leverage saying it. Meaning you would really concentrate on options. Futures is futures, Forex is Forex, crypto is crypto. I don't really personally trade Forex or crypto because that's just not who I am or what I'm looking for to do anyways. Secondly, choose a market. What does that mean? That doesn't mean let's choose Forex and stocks, or that doesn't mean I'm going to just choose Tesla. What it means is decide whether you want to trade stocks, future, crypto, or Forex. And based on your interest, it's always going to be based on your interest, what you like more, what you can even have more capital in, and what is your risk tolerance. Maybe what you're really trying to risk in stocks or in Forex might be a little bit better to risk on futures. Like really break it down, see where you're looking for. That way you really understand, okay, so this market is a way better market for me to trade because I'm still having this amount of capital, and with this amount of capital I can trade better in this market. So it's very important for you to understand that. Your risk tolerance is going to be so important. Your risk management. What is my risk management? What is this? What is that? Man, your risk, your R&R, your risk to reward is very important. Why, you may ask? Well, depending how much money you're going to be having and making, that's really going to bring you down to what a profitable trader and an unprofitable trader really is. Because the two are very easy to confuse, right? Because you can say, oh, but if profitable trader, I take this much trades, X amount of trades, and this one, non-profitable trader, is anybody that's not making any money necessarily and not taking good trades. And it really could even mean someone that's taking a lot of trades, because taking a lot of trades may not even help you become profitable. So you might want to dive down to the other one. Now, really look and do a lot of research on risk to reward. Okay, we do have one about it. Go to the channel and you'll see how to control your risk to reward, or how to manage your risk to reward. Now, number 3 is going to be select a broker and platform. There's a lot of different brokers out there. There's a lot of different prop firms out there. There's a lot of different brokers and platforms. Pick a reliable broker with a low fees and good trading platform. What does that mean? TradingView for charting is amazing. You may have a little bit of delay, but you can connect it to your Webull, and you actually have a really, really good and up-to-date chart debating what you're trading. Webull is really good itself, has its own trading platform. It's also in charting. It's really good. TopStep is for a prop firm for futures. Really know what you're trying to get into. Like for myself, what I have is my live account is through Webull as my broker, trading and taking my trades connected to TradingView because I like TradingView to chart and enter trades. And my prop firm account is to TopStep. That's my recommendation across the board. Now, developing a strategy is going to be interesting because this is where you start doing your homework, and this is where you start breaking down different strategies you have. If you're ready to go ahead and take trading to the next level, I have just the thing for you. The Relentless Society community course is now live. With that being said, go ahead and check in the links in the bio. You'll have it there. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple pictures on this side right here. It's going to give you the Discord guide, how my signals look, and something called a certification of Relentless Society. Basically explain that you have been certified by us to become one of our own students. Can't take this anywhere else. Doesn't really mean crazy, but you get the certification that shows us that you are a student. With that being said, I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Do not miss this opportunity. We are running a great deal at $80 a month, and then a better one as for like a 3-month pack or a 6-month pack. Go ahead and check it out. Link in the bio. Do not miss this opportunity. Again, you'll get the Discord link, you'll get the course, and you'll as well get a chat. Just in case you don't know how to use the Discord, you can always put the little support message there, and we'll get it all squared away. I love you guys. Have a great time. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. You have technical versus fundamentals analysis, backtesting strategies, and picking one that fits you style. Now, what does that mean? What are different strategies? Breakout trading, scalping, swing trader, trend lines. There's so many trades or types of traders and types of strategies out there. You're going to want to do your homework. What I would recommend do is what are the different types of trading strategies on YouTube, and watch a couple different videos so you can learn different strategies and really dive down your strategy that fits you. So do a lot of back testing on that strategy so that way you can feel a lot better with what you're doing or what you're even trading. Number 5, I wouldn't recommend you go straight into a live account. Call it as it is, or even a prop firm. What I would recommend do is develop that strategy, do as much homework as you can, pick that strategy, and then start with a demo account. Number 5, start with a demo account. Practicing trading with that fake money, it will build up that confidence to levels that you would understand. Okay, so if I have, let's say, I'm going to go with trading with TopStep for my funded account. Well, TopStep has a 50K window or 50K account. Meaning that 50K is what I'm going to put on my demo account, and I got to make 3,000 to get funded. So now you keep doing it. My total loss is 2,000. So that way you really understand and you can really feel, okay, so this is this, this is this. You don't mix them up. You can actually have a strategy that's working because you've back tested and you've worked it over. Now, testing strategies without risk is a no-go. Make sure you have that good risk. Okay, so in each trade I want to risk 250. So okay, debating on this this contract and debating on that contract, it's all going to be breaking down that you need to understand. Number 6, risk management. Like I've said it so many times already in the video, and I will continue to remind you. Learn how to manage your capital, set a stop loss, and follow that you have set. Do not break that rule. So if your total daily limit is 500 negative, you don't want to lose any more than 500, close the chart, walk away, come back later. Journal is very important. Journal every trade you take so you can come back and study it. Number 7, master trading psychology. What does that mean? The human mind will mess with you so much, and that's where we have to understand. Let me not turn this into it. Let me not start letting my psychological mindset start messing with me. So what does that mean? How would you help? So stay disciplined. Stay consistent and disciplined to your strategy. Don't go changing strategies. Don't go, because I lost. You will lose. It would happen. You'll have a day, you'll have a couple of days, you'll have a week, you'll have 2 weeks. It happens. It will come. It does not mean that your strategy is bad necessarily the time. It just means that you shouldn't have even really been trading. That's the truth. Let's be honest here. With that being said, and control your emotions and avoid revenge trading. Your emotions are going to kill you in this world. It's going to kill you. If you let your emotions work you over, beat you down, you will continue to lose and not become profitable. Controlling that emotion is going to help you avoid a lot of revenge trading. Revenge trading is basically when you're losing and you want to oh, I'm down 200, so I'm going to come back and try to make the 200. And next thing you know, most of the time, you're even under lower and lower and lower. So control your emotions and do not revenge trade. Number 8, fund a live account and start small. After you have done 1 to 7 and you feel good and you've made your strategy, controlled your emotions, stay disciplined, manage your capital, have a good risk to reward, pick the market you want to trade, pick the indices that you want to trade, or that specific chart you want to trade, the platform, all of that, then you will come to number 8 and fund a live account, or start small by going into a funded account. What does that mean? That live account is when you deposit only what you can afford to lose. So let's say in total you want to start an account with $1,000. Okay, so now what are you okay to lose? First of all, you're not gonna, if you're in the futures world, you're not gonna trade YM. You'll go to MYM. You're willing to lose on a daily basis $50. Cool, that gives you about 50 ticks. Good move, good room, and on top of that, you're making about $100. Is not bad. That's a good area. So that means out of $1,000, you're risking $50 on a one trade. You don't want to lose more than $100 is the truth. And that's where you start to learn, okay, that's what I'm comfortable with losing. Or you want to up it to 100 and make 200 a day. You have to break that down to 1 to 7 and then get to 8 when you deposit only what you can afford, and start with a small account. Start with a small size, $1,000, $2,000, and start small. Don't think, oh, I'm going to put in this money, I'm going to go big, I'm going to go with 10 contracts. You're going to blow your account. One trade can wipe your whole account. Don't do it. It's not even worth it. Number 9, track and improve. Keep journaling. Even when you did 1 through 8, keep journaling every trade you take. It's going to help you so much, because then you can know, or you can go over those little tweaks that you need to make for your strategy to be a better understanding, a better outcome of the trade, right? And analyze your mistakes and continuously learn to refine your edge. It's so important to break down your edge every time you take that trade and really go over, okay, I'm messing up here, I need to work on this. If it's my take profit, if it's my entry, if it's my stop loss, why am I getting in this trade? Did it hit my zones? Did it break out of my zones? Is it hitting my trade lines? Whatever you trade, make sure you're disciplined to that strategy 100%. Last one for today is going to be explore prop firms. I would so recommend you explore different prop firms. TopStep is a great one. Apex Trade, I've heard. There's a lot of different ones, or Apex Funding, or different ones. I only really use TopStep, so I really wouldn't know the other ones. But if you don't want to use your own capital, go to TopStep. For $50 you get 50k. For $100 you get 100k. For $150 you get 150k monthly. And really break it down. That's what I would recommend for someone that doesn't really have that much capital but wants to start trading. Go to a prop firm account. Break it down. Learn, okay, this is this, that is that. This is what I want to learn. That's what I want to learn. That way you don't mess yourself over and really make it worse. All the money that you save, let's say you have $500, you could put $50 in a prop firm account and start building that prop firm, get funded, and you'll still have money left over. Let's say you use $200-300, but at least you finally get that account funded. You still have about $200 left, and you can start building that capital back up, because it's a 90-10 split, and you start getting better and better. That's what I would recommend. Now, with that being said, that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys did take the amount of notes that you guys needed to take so that it will help you. I hope you guys did find as much information, write down as much information, and this does help you. As long as you follow these rules, man, I'm pretty certain you can become profitable. It's very important to be consistent. It's very important to be disciplined, and it's very important to follow your plan. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. Remember, it's always how bad you want it. Not everything is easy. Not everything is going to be a game. It's always going to be hard. With that being said, I love you guys and have a great night.